Hey guys, it's Frank from Bill Price Option. Doing something a little different today. I'm detailing this 2007 Ford Expedition. And like most SUVs, family SUVs, it's super dirty. The wheels are cool, but they are dirty. This paint, black on black, yeah, I'm sure that looked real great the day they bought it. But today, it looks tore up from the floor up. And I don't even know how well you can see it because there's a lot of sunlight right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean this bad boy. And it's really dirty all over the place. We're gonna clean this bad boy. Yeah, those are 20-inch wheels. Those are 20-inch wheels. Like I said, this is a limited. You can even see the wood on the steering wheel. But this thing was really super dirty. I was gonna show you how dirty it was on the outside, but you know what? The sun was shining so much that the reflection was just horrible. But I will show you how bad this interior is. Now, I just washed it, so the car's just dry. I haven't put any wax on it. Haven't armored all the tires. None of that. Haven't done the windows or anything. It's just dry. And I'm just starting to wipe the door jambs, actually. But let me show you how dirty this thing is inside. Let me show you why I'm the best at detailing cars and SUVs, even black ones like this. Okay, now check this out. Let's get in close here. You can see. Now you see they have dogs. This is a nice rig, but you wouldn't know it, especially look at that. Look at the door jambs. Look at the door jambs. Right? All that dirt. Look at all that. Right? Obviously washed, but I'm going to get it all right. Right? And then the carpet. Right? You see it. Dog hair. Right? Let me show you the front. Look at the mats. Look at the mats. You get the picture. Your vehicle probably looks like this. That's why you need to bring it in to me. And I'll take care of it. Make it look brand new. Watch, I'm going to make this look brand new. Hold on a second. All right, now we got the foam on that first door. We got the foam on the first door. It's part of my process. All right, part of the process. Just showing you a little bit of behind the scenes on what I do to make it look good.